Let's talk about getting paid. Hi, I'm Shannon, also known as That Tile Chick. My husband Chris and I have definitely had our share of money stress as small business owners. These days, customers want flexible payment options. One person wants to pay by credit card, another wants ACH payments. I've even gotten requests to pay in person or do tap to pay. Giving customers the options to pay through their preferred method increases the likelihood of getting paid on time. For small businesses like ours, getting paid quickly and consistently matters a lot. Because delayed payments can create cash flow issues, accounting headaches, and awkward follow-up emails nobody enjoys sending. So now it's your job as a business owner to figure out what is the best payment processing solution for businesses. How can small businesses accept ACH payments from customers? And how do I set up recurring payments on autopay? Intuit QuickBooks has asked us to share our business tips on how payment processing works, different payment methods for small businesses, ACH payments, recurring billing, and how QuickBooks Payments helps businesses get paid faster. So let's get into it.
At the end of the day, businesses need reliable ways to collect money from their customers. Because no matter how great your service is or how gorgeous that tile looks in their bathroom, the important thing is that people actually pay you on time.
Why payment processing matters for small businesses.
Payment processing affects cash flow, customer experience, accounting accuracy, and how quickly businesses receive money. If there's a delay in customer payments, there could be a domino effect impacting payroll if you have a team, inventory purchases, vendor payments, and long-term, your bottom line.
Beyond the obvious of getting paid, there's a lot of admin work, like updating your books, tracking which invoice has been paid and which is overdue, and reminding customers when payments are due. I mean, hey, my passion is in tile design and installation, not sitting in front of my computer worrying about invoicing. That's why we use QuickBooks Payments to manage all kinds of payments for our small business. But I'll tell you more about that later. How payment processing works.
Payment processing is the system that securely transfers money from the customer to the business. In the back end, transactions are authorized, verified, and routed for settlement through electronic payment systems. There are many components to payment processing. The one we'll focus on for now is payment methods. Payment method is the way your customers pay for the goods or services received. Each method comes with different costs, processing times, and security considerations. You choose what's right for your business. My general rule of thumb is to offer flexible payment options according to customer preference and make sure your accounting system integrates with your payment processes.
Types of payment methods. Now let's talk about the most common small business payment options. Businesses today commonly accept cash payment, which is pretty self-explanatory. You skip processing fees and get instant access to funds. But make sure you have good records for accounting to avoid tax audit. ACH payments, which is commonly used for larger or recurring transactions. It's a good option for businesses that handle predictable or high volume payments. Card payments. Debit and credit cards are fast, convenient, and make checkout smoother for the customer and business owner. Check payments. This could be a literal paper check or digital alternative like e-checks. This may make sense for businesses that work directly with individual clients, like if you're a rental property owner or lawn service provider. Digital payments. This includes online payments made through a payment gateway or mobile and contactless options like digital wallets. Buy now, pay later. Your customers get flexibility to pay over time, while you get paid up front, so work doesn't have to stall. Through a partnership between QuickBooks and a firm, you can offer buy now, pay later directly on your payment-enabled invoices. In-person payments and tap to pay.
If you work in the construction industry like us, you'll know that sometimes you get on site for a project and you're face-to-face with your client. There's some urgency to a payment and you can't just email over an invoice and then wait for them to enter their payment details and then wait for the payment to finally come through. Time is of the essence, and in those cases, my mobile phone comes in handy. You can use tap to pay to accept contactless payments on the spot. With tap to pay and the QuickBooks mobile app, you've just turned your phone into a powerful card reader. And then you hear that satisfying sound that informs you you just got paid.
Real-time tracking and auto-reconciliation. Real-time tracking can help keep cash flow straight. When you're paying subcontractors, ordering raw materials, and waiting for payments from clients, it's important to know how much money is in your accounts at any given time, who has paid you, and who still needs to pay you. With QuickBooks, my books automatically update without any manual entry or confusion. Invoice matching tracks payments with their specific invoices, so you're not mixing up which invoices have been paid and which haven't. Was that payment for the first invoice or the second invoice? Is that new deposit from the kitchen remodel or from the bathroom remodel? Auto-reconciliation means no need for manual data entry, fewer human errors, and more time for me to focus on what matters, delivering beautiful kitchens and bathrooms for our clients. Get paid faster.
Now let's talk about speeding up payments, because waiting forever for invoices to get paid, not ideal. Advance payments help businesses collect part or all of a payment before work begins. This is common for the construction industry, where we may receive an advance payment for our tile projects so that we can purchase the right materials or start resourcing additional contractors for the job. Other businesses, such as manufacturing, professional services, or project-based businesses, may also accept advance payments.
Recurring invoices on AutoPay. AutoPay on recurring invoices is another powerful tool for stabilizing your revenue and making your cash flow more predictable. Here's how it works. You set an invoice to occur on a schedule you choose and turn on AutoPay. The invoice goes out automatically. Your client enrolls once by saving a payment method, and from then on, they're charged automatically before each invoice is due. You don't have to resend the same invoice every month, and your clients don't have to remember to pay you. I use AutoPay on my recurring invoices in QuickBooks to take the follow-up off my plate. My invoices go out automatically, and my clients pay without me chasing them. It's actually easier for them since they don't have to re-enter their card details every time, and they're never caught off guard by a late payment. And because my payments and accounting live in one place, my books update in real time. Every payment is auto-matched to its invoice. Automation for the win. QuickBooks Payments AI. More efficient ways to get paid faster.
QuickBooks Payments can automate what would have been manual tasks for you, creating invoices, tracking late payments, and helping you follow up with customers on payments due. Just imagine you getting paid faster, steady cash flow, and no extra manual work. Let Payments AI take care of those repetitive tasks and minimize unpaid invoices with fewer follow-ups.
Businesses offering flexible payment options and automated payment workflows will have a better chance of getting paid on time. Hello cash flow predictability, and goodbye overdue invoices. Thanks for staying with us through the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.